We are in Singapore.
Okay, in Singapore.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I want to share with you my trip to Singapore. Just in another video I also say that I want to go back to Singapore, and I did it. Yay! For my trip to Singapore, there are two parts. The first half of it, I was in Singapore for a business trip, so I traveled to many cool tech companies including Meta and Google. So I want to show you guys how their office. And also then my boyfriend joined with me. We are having a little tour in Singapore at the weekend where we discover some very famous place in Singapore, basically more on the food tour side, and I love it, so can't wait to share with you guys. Let's get started. room. Let's see, stuff like this. I really like the designs. Everything here is very organized, and we will show you later when we come down at the reception for all the share area.